Hey everybody, this is Jacques Wakefield, and this new channel is called the Jacques channel. What made me start this channel from December 2019 to December 2021, I made close to $1,200 investing in long-term stocks. And even before I started investing, I already thought I was good at it, you know, and uh and the $1,200 I made was just not from one stock. It was from hundreds of stocks. So I thought maybe that I should start a channel, talking about stocks. And I might even talk about a little crypto. But why I call it Stock Jock, my name is Jock Wakefield. Like Howard Stern is a shock jock, I thought I would be the stock jock. So that's the whole origin behind me naming it that and by my name being Jock. So uh I don't know where this channel's gonna go. As far will it be big or not? Uh Mostly I do internet marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, all of that type stuff. But I thought I would do this on the side every now and then, making the video, about what I think, what are the good stocks to invest in, and you know, just do it, uh, according to how much feedback I get. If I get a lot of good positive feedback and people want me to do more, I probably more than likely will shoot more videos about, stocks and ETFs and, index funds and, all that stuff, uh, pertaining to the stock market. So this is my first video. Uh, I wish y'all would, like and share and subscribe. Also, uh, my channel's not going to be like some of the guys on YouTube with these stock channels. And let me shout out them, by the way, because they doing a fantastic job. I get a lot of tips from some of those channels as well. I'm not competing with those guys. I'm just gonna be in my own lane about what I think about stuff. So it's gonna be no doubt an original channel. I'm not trying to copy off nobody, nothing like that. I just think I'm kind of good with the stock stuff. So I know it's people out there that's way better than me that do this stuff. But I just think I'm just gonna give my opinion on what I think about certain stocks and what the market is doing and all of that stuff. So like I said, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, and any positive feedback, I'm more than welcome to hear it in the comments. So like I say, the name of this channel is Stock Jock. So I don't know when I'm gonna shoot another video because like I say, mainly I do internet affiliate marketing, CPA marketing and stuff like that. So uh you know I like I say, I might get more off into doing more content for this channel as I get more positive feedback and subscribers and stuff like that. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And hit that like button and subscribe. And y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.